Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Class 6, Board Metric, Subject Science, Topic Garbage in and out. Part 1. Introduction, Types of Waste, Segregation of Waste, Management of Waste. These are the topic we are going to discuss. Let me see what is garbage. Unwanted things and waste things are known as garbage. Garbage is unwanted or undesired materials or substance, and it is also referred as rubbish, junk. Let us see what are the types of garbage. Garbage or waste can be divided into two categories according to the decomposer, and biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste. Types of waste are biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Let us see what is biodegradable waste. Biodegradable materials can be decomposed by the action of microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi, are called biodegradable waste. Waste that rot by the action of organisms such as bacteria and fungi are called biodegradable waste, and bacteria and fungi are decomposer. Already we have learned in previous lesson. And decomposers, what is the duty for the decomposers? And they will break down the biodegradable waste and make them into nutrient to the soil. For example, human and animal waste, dead plants and animals are biodegradable waste. You can see in this picture vegetable and fruits peel, then soil, human hair, paper. Let us see what is non-biodegradable waste. Yes, waste that is not rot by the action of bacteria and fungi are called non-biodegradable waste. Examples are plastic and metals. So, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Fruits, hair, paper are biodegradable waste. Plastic papers, hardwoods and bottles are non-biodegradable waste. Let us see how to segregate biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. So, all the biodegradable waste we can place it in a green color bin. So, and non-biodegradable waste we can place in blue color bin. Let us see management of waste. Composting, vermicomposting, landfills. These are the three types we are going to learn. Composting. What is composting? Composting is the process of biological decomposition of organic materials. The end product is a compost, and compost is the nutrient rich materials that is valuable to the soil. So, the bacteria and fungi present in the biodegradable waste decompose the biodegradable waste and make the soil to be nutrient rich. Let us see what is vermicompost. Vermicompost is the simple biological technical process of composting. By using a earthworm, they will do the vermicompost. We know earthworm is a farmer's friend. So, the waste materials eaten by earthworm will segregate the, will release the waste that can be rich nutrient to the soil. Vermicomposting is the method of preparing enriched compost with the use of earthworms. It is the one of the best, easiest method, but we can it takes 3 to 4 weeks to prepare vermicompost. And it is the type of composting in which a type earthworm. We can use the earthworm for the vermicomposting, and it can be prepared in 3 to 4 weeks. And it feed the waste and it segregate the nutrient rich to the soil. So the particular soil can be nutrient rich, so the plant can be grow very fast. And next one, landfill. The large area selected by the municipalities and throw all the biodegradable, non-biodegradable waste into a particular place. That is known as landfill. And the garbage is made into compact and packets are placed in the large layer areas. And the full areas it's covered with the green color grass. And in presence of biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, it decomposes some chemicals that will pollute to the groundwater. So we have to avoid the landfills. Thank you children. To receive our online lessons, please press subscribe button and you will receive latest updates. Thank you.